Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Admiral Yularen from the Clone Wars. The legs I used come from this Batman, the torso comes from this Imperial officer, the head I used came from Big Starklighter, and finally the hair comes from this LEGO CMF minifigure. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, I'm quite happy with how this has turned out. I was inspired to make it by his appearance in a new show, and I was thinking about how I could make the character. If you have any minifigure ideas you'd like me to make, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you on that. For example, ZW Productions has given me loads of ideas to work with right now. If you enjoyed, maybe leave a like, and if you really enjoyed, maybe you could subscribe. I would recommend checking out my tutorial on how to make 99 if you haven't already, so feel free to click that on the end screen now.